Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Muhammad Murtaza, wattoo SST Science Government Model City High School, Bahawalnagar. This is my English grammar for life. This grammar is very easy, very interesting. Today I am going to teach you about narration or direct speech into indirect speech. My grammar is very easy, very simple. You can understand easily narration from my grammar. Let's start. He says to me, "You are my brother." This part of sentence is called reporting speech. And you are my brother. This part of sentence is called reported speech. Now I am going to teach you rule number 1 of narration. If the reporting speech is in present indefinite tense, you can change this sentence by omitting the commas and write THAT, that, between the reporting and reported speech, and change personal of the pronouns, or change the pronouns. Now I am changing direct speech into indirect speech. Always write 1 under subject of reporting speech and 2 under object of reporting speech. Now in this part of sentence, which is called a reported speech, find you, second person, write number 2 under the second person, and I, my, me, we, are, we, our, us. If there is a first person, you will write 1. 1 can be changed by 1 and 2 can be changed by 2. For example, he says to me, he tells me that. Now you is a subjective case, because it is beginning of written at the beginning of the reported speech, show the subjective case of me is I. So he tells me that I am. Now my, this is number 1 and this is also number 1. 1 can be changed according to 1. My is a possessive case, so I will find a possessive case of he, which is his. I am his brother. Full stop at the end of the sentence. Now I am going to solve another sentence. He says to me, I can help you. Check this sentence. Put 1 under subject of reporting speech, number 2. These are 2 fixed numbers, 1 and 2. Now find second person in the reported speech. You are a second person, so write 2 under second person, and I, my, me, we, our, us will have, or I, my, me, we, our, us has number 1. This is first person takes number 1. So check this sentence is in present indefinite tense, so you can write as it is. He says to me, or he tells me, he says to me that. Number 1 can be changed according to number 1, so this is subjective case. Now he is also a subjective case. He says to me that he will be written in small letters. He can help. He can help. Now You is the second person. Second person, number two will be changed according to number two. So, you is objective case. So, objective case of me is also me. So, he says to me, I can help you. This sentence can be changed. He says to me that he can help me. Now I am going to solve another sentence. He says to me, I shall help you. In this sentence, put one under subject of reporting speech and number two under object of reporting speech. Find you in the reported speech. You is a second person, so write two under second person and one under first person. So if the reporting speech is in present indefinite tense, we will write only that between reporting and reported speech, write a full stop at the end of the sentence. For example, he says to me, or he tells me that. Now first person will be changed according to subject, or number one will be changed according to number one. So I is a subjective case, so he will be written after that, and he will help me. So you is a second person, so this person can be changed according to object of reporting speech. So here is a number two, here is a number two. Number two will be changed according to number two. You is objective case, so objective case of me is me. So he says to me that he will help me.